Welcome to computer aided drafting class. Today this exercise was given in quiz 2 and some of the students had difficulty in drawing this drawing. Okay, so I am just drawing this and putting on the YouTube so that the boys who have got the doubt can look at it. Now see here, in this drawing you have got a semicircular cylinder and the bottom footing is there. All the dimensions are given for this taper. The angle is given here 45, the radius is given, this is 10, this is 20, everything is there. So now let's try to draw it. Let's open computer CAD software. I am going and opening a CAD ISO 3D. So I have opened it. First and foremost thing is I will go and fix the limits. LIMITS limits, I will fix it. First is 0 0, let it be there, and the second one I will just keep it as 100 comma 100. Okay, so now I have done it. Then zoom, enter, E, enter. So now everything is fixed. So now what I will do, I will just go to the top view. I will start my work from the front view. Just go here to unsaved views, take front view. Okay, sorry, let me just go here, take front view. So now I am here, the color is like this. So let me just go and change from realistic to 2D wireframe. Now let me fix this ortho on. Let me make it on. So where is my drawing? My drawing is here. See here, what is this distance? This is 80. The height is how much? The height is 10. Okay, and then this angle is 40. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just go here, go to Auto CAD. I will draw a line. Dimension is 80. Enter, escape. Now what I will do, I will offset it through how much? I will offset it through which one? This one. Okay, I will offset it through, go like this, 10. Okay, escape. Now what I will do, I will just go here. From this end point, I will come like this. I will remove my ortho here. Right, I will just go like this. Just put some dimension. It is showing you some dimension, 18 or something like that. Let me take it 20. 20. I will not press enter because here the angle is showing us how much? 49 something. Just press tab button. The moment you press tab button, you will go to the angle. Now here I will put the angle as 45. Enter. See there? Escape. So similarly I will go to this end and then just draw like this. I will put 20. Tab. 90 plus 45. It becomes 135. See? Enter. Okay, so now I am there. So what I will do now, I will trim and remove whatever is not needed. This is not needed. Let it be out. Let this be out. And then I don't want this. I don't want this portion. Okay, enter. So your bottom is already ready. So now what I will do now, let me just move it down a little bit. Escape. Now I will draw a line. Let me go here and check in my drawing. What is this height from here? It is 30, is it not? Let me draw a line of 30. This is 20 and then the inner one is how much? 10. So 20 minus 10, this width will be how much? 10. Okay. So now I will just go over here. I will just draw a line from the midpoint. I will go up. I will again press ortho. I will go up 30. Enter. Okay. Escape. Now I have this one. So what is the next job? I will offset it. I will offset it by how much? Just go here, offset through. Which one? This one. I will offset through how much? Like this, 20. Enter. Again I will offset this one towards this side by how much? 20. Enter. Okay. Finished. Now what I have to do? I have to draw a semicircle here, two semicircles. So now I will draw. I can draw a circle and then trim it, or I can use arc also. I can use this arc command. Okay, I can use arc command. Let me just use this one. Start, center, end. Start is this point, my center is here, my end point is here. See, escape. Okay, now the next one is what? Next one is at a distance of 10, is it not? Just draw a line here for a distance of 10 like this. Enter, escape. Draw one more line from this point, come like this, 10, enter, escape. Okay, now center, start, center, end. See that? Escape. Now do I need this center line? I don't need this center line. Just let me delete it. Now my picture drawing is completely ready now. Let me go back here. Let me go back here and check what is this length. This length is 30, whereas this length is 40. So what I should do, I will go back to the drawing and I will just change the view now. From the top view, I will come to southeast view. See there? My drawing is there. I will just go press pull. Just go here. Come like this. How much? 30. Enter. Press pull. This one also come like this. 30. Enter. Come to the top one, pull out like this. How much? 40. Enter. Escape. So everything is done. Now change the shape. See, your drawing is complete. Now what I will do, I will move this drawing out. Let me join them now. I will use union command. This one, and this one. Add all of them. Okay, it's a single piece now. So now move it out. So you have got this drawing. Just get it out from here. Okay. Now you can say Z enter, E enter. So zoom extends. So now everything is come. See, it has not even taken 10 minutes to do this drawing.